Nature Walk with Chuck.
Oh. Hi. Welcome to Nature Walk. I'm Chuck, and we got a lot to do today, so let's get started. Jimmy! This is Jimmy. He's our intern from the Forest Service. Jimmy, are you ready to learn today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first things first, let's get that beer, huh? Come on, Jimmy, quit horsing around.
What kind of tree is that, Mr. Chuck?
It's a big green tree, Jimmy. Jimmy, come here. I want to teach you something. Do you know how a true outdoorsman disposes of his beer can?
In a proper receptacle.
Kinda. Come on, Jimmy.
How far are we gonna go, Mr. Chuck?
Till the beer runs out. Come on, Jimmy, quit screwing around. She thought she had in the car, but she didn't know it. Shh, Jimmy, you hear that? That's the sound of a diamondback rattler. Just remember, it's more afraid of you than you are of it. Let's take a look. Don't look, Jimmy. That's no rattler. It's even worse. That's a men's group. Ah! Out of my way, boy! Ah! Breathe that fresh air, Jimmy. It's good for the lungs. Jimmy, would you look at that? This is very special. Watch this. Run, Jimmy! One of the joys of being in the outdoors is hunting and foraging for your own food. There's plenty of food to be had, but you've got to use your cunning. Food. I've spotted some food. Jimmy! I'm gonna need a distraction. This is what I want you to do.
Excuse me, sirs. Huh? Your wives are very ugly.
My wife tastes better when it's cooked outdoors. Hey, Jimmy, you're missing out. Oh. It was a good nature walk. We learned a lot, and we had some fun. But now, it's time to relax. Isn't that right, Jimmy? Damn it, Jimmy! You're gonna bruise the gin! We'll see you next week on Nature Walk.
This has been Nature Walk with Chuck.